Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get studded jellyfish in Fish It game on Roblox latest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best spot or best location to fish the studded jellyfish. You can go to the classic island first using this portal. I'm going to go to the classic island and you need to unlock the Iron Cavern. And to unlock the Iron Cavern, you need to have at least level 200. And here you can go to the Iron Cavern. Okay, you just need to follow the ladder right here and you will find the Iron Cavern. Okay, this is the Iron Cavern. I'm going to use the portal to teleport. And here you can catch the studded jellyfish. And I'm going to show you guys the best spot. Okay, the studded jellyfish is one of the legendary fishes. Okay, you can fish here, but it's pretty hard to get the studded jellyfish if you fish there. But yeah, you will have chance, but I'm going to show you the best location to have more chance to catch the jellyfish. Okay, you can fish here guys. And also right here on the other side right here. Okay, you can fish here or you can fish on the Iron Café. And to unlock the Iron Café, you need to place 4 required fishes. Okay, and you can get them by fishing. You can go to the Iron Café and you can also get the studded jellyfish here. Okay, but it's not opened for now. And okay guys, that's how you can get the studded jellyfish and Fish It game on Roblox latest update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.